everyone, it's Brianna with WTI, and if you're looking to get into candle making, I highly recommend this set of wicks from CandMak.
Even if you're a seasoned candle maker, this kit is designed to make the process easier and more enjoyable. This set includes 60 high-quality cotton wicks in 3 different lengths: 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. This variety is perfect for making candles of various sizes, from small votives to large pillar candles. The wicks are thick and well constructed, ensuring a steady and even burn. They're pre-waxed and tabbed, which means they're ready to use right out of the box. In addition to the wicks, the kit comes with some handy tools to make your candle making experience smoother. Besides the wicks, you'll find 60 wick stickers, 2 wick holders, 4 candle tags, and 1 wick placing tube. Setting up the wicks is a breeze with this kit. The holder keeps everything stable, and the wicks maintain their shape as you pour in your melted wax. These wicks are designed to reduce soot and smoking, giving you a cleaner and longer lasting candle. Once you've put this sticker on the wick and then you have stuck it into your candle jar, you can gently pour in your wax, and even if your wick goes off to one side, that's why you have the clip, so you can use your metal clip or your green clip that comes with the kit. And then you will just clip it onto the wick and put it over the top of the candle jar to keep the wick nice and centered in place. I have found that these wicks really do stay put when they are stuck to the bottom. Then just let your brand new candle solidify, and then it is ready to be lit. I have found that with these wicks, my candle burns slower, and I don't also see plumes of smoke coming off as I'm burning it. So definitely give these great cotton wicks a try.
And that's my point of view.